I chose Rice Business, being an oil and gas professional. I wanted to be around other like-minded peers that comes from all diverse backgrounds, and which has been really unique to lean in their strengths, and especially in areas that I'm weak in. So being involved in various student activities here at Rice has really enhanced my experience. When we first joined, I got really excited about the golf club and eagerly joined that. It was one of the first things that I signed up for, and met a lot of new people, and now in year 2 of my MBA program, I'm the president of the golf club, and we're hoping to build on the successes from last year and continue to grow that. So it's a great way for folks like me that are in the executive program to interact with the full-time students, the professional students. It's been a really great opportunity. And on top of that, I also serve on the Rice Board Fellows program. That was another unique value add for me, being a part of Rice. Get that board experience and not necessarily just get in the classroom, but also goals that I have for future board opportunities later down the road. One of the things I love is Houston's a diverse city, so I get a diverse group of people in my class. So I think if you were to profile my class, I think it profiles what Houston looks like. So one of my favorite classes was probably our executive forum, and it probably was the one that we just did last semester. So it's a week-long intensive program led by Dr. Brent Smith, and we learned things from change management to building effective teams to just general leadership principles, and it's been so effective. I was asked to speak at my company on those exact topics. My advice to any new prospective student, if you're evaluating whether an MBA is right for you, I think you can make that case pretty easily. I think everyone can see that value in getting an MBA, and I would say don't wait. You could think of many reasons or excuses of how long it's going to take, or it's just bad timing for me, but I don't think there will ever be the best time ever. So it's jump in and you can make it work, and it'll be one of the better decisions you'll make.